Action.
E. Okay, E. All right, basic support. Okay, if E doesn't exist, is to stretch the lips to the sides. Okay, we did before. Just do that. That we did with the smiling. Same thing. You can support from the back. Here. And try to do that. If it works, can you E? Very good. It works. But usually it doesn't. Can do E? No, it doesn't. Nothing, because it's not enough. Radu, translating? Or no?
I don't know, I'm confused. Aveți nevoie de traducere? Mai cred din nou. Să ridice mâna sus cine vrea traducere.
Fără rușine.
It's okay, okay. Alright. So this is one support. Another support, better support, is to press underneath the mouth here. Okay, you go to the mandible, to the bone, and then a little bit backwards to the muscle, and you press it up. Will be here. Okay. So we can do it with fingers, the tip of the fingers, or with the knuckle. Okay. So what we're prompting here is mainly the tongue. Bring the tongue up in the middle of the mouth. All right. What do you feel?
Vibration.
Vibration? You feel it's better support than that? For the E?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So try
For the tongue.
this E and this.
E.
That's better, okay? Because it's closing the mouth and prompting the tongue to
The
go
tongue.
up. Okay? So that's better. Another option is to press on the abdominals. You press on the abdominals, or put tongue depressor, put in the mouth. We do that. So when we put the tongue depressor, we push the lips to the sides, we maintain the mouth closed, and we somehow also get the tongue involved because it goes on top of the tongue and the tongue is like touching it. Something easier to do that. Okay? That's for the E. So try to get it. Sometimes easier to get it not through the word initial vowel E, but through G or key. Easier to go from there. So not necessarily you're going to get it here. With some kids they tend to run up and down the room and say E, right? They run say E. And what we need to do there is like a reverse cycle. It means that he's producing E, I'm doing E after him, and then he's doing it again, and I'm repeating it, and he's doing it again, I'm repeating him, and then I've got a cycle. And it's not clear in the cycle who started. Maybe I started after a few repetitions, and then he's actually imitating me. So that's another way of getting it. A. Main support for A is in the middle, so it's a bit problematic. But the main support is pressing on the mandible down and back. Here. So we're pressing like we did with the tongue movement, pressing down and back. And we stabilize it here. Stabilize here and try to get the sound. So it's not big opening, medium opening, stabilized, and we tell them look for the sound around here. Okay? Another way is to stretch the lips sideways to the air and try to get it here. Sometimes it works, sometimes going down works, sometimes it's going to be through a different consonant. Go for be, me, te, and then you get a better result. So the way always also can contribute. Any questions about E and A?